Hi there. Today I thought I would show my Oxalis harari. I think I'm saying that right, maybe not. Or Oxalis tenariensis, that's another name I gather. This is an interesting one. I didn't actually love it when I first got it. So this is a succulent Oxalis species that has swollen petioles. So that section that connects the leaf to the stem. I'll zoom in here a little bit. It's a really unique look. It's kind of like just lots of little kind of chubby fingers or something, I guess, kind of coming off of this one. But yeah, it's really grown on me, on a couple levels, right? No pun intended. This one started with just one, I guess, sort of rosette, you could say, and now it looks like I have 4 or 5. This one I am keeping in I guess more gentle conditions, I would say, than many of my other succulents. This one I have it in a slightly less minerally soil. I think you can see that here. The lighting's a little bit strange. Also, this one is kept in a glazed pot. I don't have this in terracotta. I don't need it to dry out instantly. The light is a little bit less intense. I have it under the same light cycle and actually the same lights as many of my succulent, or I guess more arid succulents. But this one, yeah, it's at the edge of that light. It doesn't get the full sort of brunt of that light. It's also a little bit red, so I get the sense that that's probably, enough for it. A lot of times I'll see online really green looking plants. So yeah, nothing I think too surprising about this one. Again, it's a bit more it's a bit more tender. If you have Oxalis carnosa, I have another video that you can see kind of earlier in the feed. The care is almost the same. I would say carnosa can probably take more sun and heat. Carnosa also kind of like goes dormant and then reawakens a lot and flowers a lot more easily. I've never gotten a flower from this plant. I don't need it necessarily, right? Like I'm not a huge Oxalis flower fan, but if you're looking for flowers, there might be easier species out there. And my next plan for this is to put it in a larger pot. I saw some really big bushy plants that kind of have like separate clumping rosettes that looked really striking. And I want to try to go for that. So that one will probably be a little less pink, a little less red. I'm gonna put it a little bit further away from the light, give it a bit more room, and hopefully I have kind of like a little shrub or something. We'll zoom in here. It definitely loses a lot of, foliage, and it's kind of interesting too. Like you can see right here, the leaf dies before the petiole does. Just kind of a, it's a unique plant, I think. Yeah, it's not, the most gorgeous growth all around. I'm hoping if I give the plant a little bit more room in the pot, maybe it will spread out, maybe it will become more bushy. But yeah, I don't think there's anything super tricky or special to say about it, except that you should check this one out. Yeah, it's really a favorite. It's just such a unique form that, yeah, I hope I don't hurt it too much with the repot. I wanted to make this video for posterity, maybe, in case something bad happens. Let me know. I hear this is not super widely available, actually, outside of the Americas, but I hope you do have luck finding it. And if you do, I would not pass it up. Very easy and very pleasing. All right, just let me know if you have questions. Yeah, thanks for liking and subscribing.